Grande, April 10th, Jacksonville, Florida. Be there, be square.
On today's episode...
Pump it up, pump it up. Woo! Oh my God. Hold it upside down and just spray away. Oh, there goes our camera. Oh shit. The news is following us. Oh my God. What up, YouTube? Welcome to a very chilly and moist Florida evening here in February. That looks pretty cool for a 300. Sounds like an overpowered soda machine. Yeah. What's up, man? Alright, so anyway, got a nice little crew. I mean, for like a rainy, wet Florida day, we got what Texas got earlier this week when they're all freezing with no electricity. Should make it interesting. Alright, let's pick it up on the road.
Hey, don't touch my Ducati.
Fucati. It's gonna be a fun night tonight. Let's go. Hit me early, Justin. Hit me early. All right, quick stop at the Wawa, get some fuel and pressure for the 300's tire, and we'll be on our ways. 4 psi, 30 psi. Off to a good start. So I'll turn my headlight on for this festivities. Thank you, Wawa, for always being there for us with your high-grade ethanol, gasoline, and quesadillas. Look at the backlight on this. Kind of looks cool, like eerie, like Halloween stuff. Oh my God, it's the biggest Grom I've ever seen. That almost looks like an F4i. I'm no mathematician, but I would say that's 5, 6 times as big as a Grom. Drew on the sewing machine. Now that he's got that good pressure, let's see it, Drew.
This tire has way too much air.
You put too much? Now he's got too much air in it. Some of those tires are really pointy, so you put too much air in it, it's pretty bad things. There you go. 50% sketch here, the other 50% couldn't make it. Where the Bucks took home the championship. There it is. Monster Truck Madness coming in March. Might take the little baby Grommer there, see some monster trucks. I don't know, you guys watch monster trucks? I don't, but I've been before. And Gravedigger, I'll tell you, the locals, when they see Gravedigger out there, woo, they get excited.
The crowd is pumped.
Come on, get it down to 2 again.
Is this 4?
This isn't gay. We're not making eye contact. What is that? All right, let's take some pictures. We got some nice light here. So I'm using a Sony camera tonight. And Ricky, Scatmanning over there.
I'm a scat man.
Where's my horn? Louis Stunts here, giving those outdoor diners a little bit of a show.
Shoot your cell phone video like this, not like that.
Instagram story updated. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I promise I post there a lot more than I post on YouTube. Look at all the Teslas over here. Whole Tesla charge station. It's kind of cool. Elon Musk making my Dogecoin go through the roof. Kids waving, jumping up and down. Single mom about that life, trying to find a new baby daddy. Opportunities for your rookie. Hey! Let's pump it up! Oh, there he goes. Go get him. Go get him, Grom. Catch up to that 300. It's hanging to the right. And then I just get sprayed with a vape cloud.
Great video because she shot it like this, not like that. Remember, your TV sits like this, not like that.
Everybody throwing it back, slowing it down. Back downtown, the old pirate ship over here. This thing's cool. So at Gasparilla, which is like an invasion of Tampa, old pirate thing, they take that thing, launch like fake cannons out of it, and then they invade downtown Tampa. Mayor gives the pirate the keys to the city. It's a cool little thing. It's like our own little Mardi Gras. Something about this place, I really like it. I don't know. I like what they did. So Tampa's always been like an industrial city. Very businessy. Not a lot of stuff happened downtown on weekends. Now, they've added all this RGB. I don't even know if you can hear me. All this RGB, all the nightlife stuff out here is starting to take over. They added residential places, little residential areas. So now there's like, you know, actual people living down here, which is kind of cool.
We're gonna go. 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 We're gonna go.
right, rookie, it's your ride. This is the St. Pete Times Forum, or the Annual Arena, whatever it's called. It's where the Lightning play. So that's where we got the Stanley Cup. And then here's all these high rises that they added. So these are all residential condos or townhomes, whatever they're called. I think condos. Anyway, they added all these. So now all the people that live here now complain that motorcycles come through here like on a weekend. Like, you want to live downtown, you're gonna hear this stuff. But really pretty. I mean, look at that, like parking garage right there. They got all that stuff over it. Looks cool. Trolley with the mask guy on. I mean, it's just screaming big city now. So parking wrecks. It's just really nice what they did down here. Enough history. Wheelie time. I touched Lewis's fingertips there. I don't know what they're doing down here. A whole bunch of construction though. Put a whole bunch of these Bob barricades up in our wheelie roads. Oh shit. Stop it. Homie right here wants to do a 3-point turn. But that guy doesn't look entertained. Nobody cares anymore. Can't even get a wave back by Mr. Fabulous Hair. Rookie's passing, breaking up this whole ride. You're doing a really good job. Just keep everybody together, maybe don't pass the cars, you know? But you're doing a good job. Downtown. Beautiful. Look at the rain. The rain's gone. Everyone that flaked out because you're worried about a little wetness, look how dry the roads are. Look how clear it is out there. You can see the moon. There it is. Oh, fuck. Rookie, you're doing a really bad job. I need you to do better. Oh my God. One way, one way, one way. Holy shit. You see that car almost kill us? Oh, fuck. Damn. That was a straight scrape. Take your time. Go ahead. Fix your bars. And we're off. And we're off. Oh shit. There's the news. The news is following us. They saw the crash. They were about to pull out and get the cameras out. You good? Someone's on my booty hole. Woo! That's who's hyping me up. It's Drew, my hype man. Still got it. Still got it, baby. Got the one-hander. My hype man Drew back there yelling at me, making me feel good about myself. Sounds good, right? All right, now we're heading over to Davis Island. Cool thing about Davis Island, a lot of rich people live over here. It's like Martha's Vineyard of Tampa. Pop it up. Pop it up, pop it up. Do a burnout. Donut. Off-road. Jump it. Drift. Flip it. Look at this big-ass puddle thing here. Bro, it sucks. There's a fucking lot happening right here. Oh, fuck. I guess we're scraping too. My light really makes these photos not so great. Oh no, water bottle. Nate's water bottle fell out. Yeah, I saw it.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Cop right there. Did you see that stack of cops? On the right. They were watching you. They were going like this. There's something about the streets, man. They make you feel alive. The lot's fun. It's great to get technical at the lot. Practice so you don't learn on the streets, because you can see how quick it can go wrong. But there's something nice about the old streets. Hype man Drew back there. Hype man Drew. Hype him up, man. Hype him up. Your visor's gone. Oh my. Oh my God. What is Drew doing? For a visor? Drew just slammed on the brakes, did a fishtail because his visor flew off, went sideways. He's going to pick his visor up. Your bike's okay. Dude, that was so funny. You're like, where's my visor? And then you turn and just go straight down. Oh, that was brand new. That didn't look like that before. Oh, I don't think so. Look at that.
I took pictures forever.
Insurance claim. All right, Drew's back. You got Rookie Rebel here. You got the salsa music. Hey, where's your visor? Where's your visor? Tag team! Tag team! Tag team! God damn it. Hold it upside down and just spray away. Other hand, other hand.
How am I supposed to do that? Next slide, next slide.
No, 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 no. Come here, come here. Goes. Whoa! Big funnel, big funnel, big funnel! Oh, there goes my camera. There goes my camera. Get my camera back! Oh my, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Nate! Nate! You got dookie water all over the camera, Nate! Oh man, it got in your mouth? Oh, you're gonna die! Ew! Alright. Put this guy away now. That's gonna need a straight cleaning from Sony.